Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System Based Labs. Welcome to AI Systems Architecture. Over the past several years, artificial intelligence has evolved from a research topic into a business necessity. Every boardroom is discussing AI. Every CIO is evaluating AI. Every CTO is planning AI. Every architect is redesigning systems for AI. Every software engineer is asking the same question. How do we prepare for the next generation of intelligent systems? But today I want to challenge a common assumption. Many people believe that AI is simply about models. Models are important. Algorithms are important. Data is important, but history teaches us a different lesson. The technologies that change the world are rarely limited by intelligence. They are limited by architecture. The internet was not successful because TCP/IP was intelligent. The internet was successful because its architecture scaled. Cloud computing was not successful because virtualization was intelligent. Cloud computing was successful because the architecture was adaptive. Likewise, the future of artificial intelligence will not be determined solely by smarter models. It will be determined by smarter architectures. And that is exactly why we are launching Season 3, Next Generation Platforms. Today, we begin with a fundamental question. Why does artificial intelligence need new platform technologies? If Python dominates AI today, why are architects, researchers, technology leaders, and future-thinking organizations exploring technologies such as Elixir Rust, edge computing, distributed systems, event-driven architectures, and autonomous platforms? The answer lies in understanding where artificial intelligence is going next. We have entered the system era. The first era of AI was the algorithm era. Researchers built models, scientists trained systems, engineers experimented. The second era was the application era. Organizations embedded AI into applications. Chatbots emerged. Recommendation engines emerged. Predictive analytics emerged. Generative AI emerged. We are now entering the third era, the system era. In the system era, artificial intelligence is no longer a feature. AI becomes part of the operating fabric of society. Factories, hospitals, transportation systems, energy grids, defense systems, supply chains, smart cities, autonomous platforms, digital twins, robotics. In these environments, AI is no longer an application. AI becomes infrastructure. An infrastructure has different requirements. Let us imagine a factory in the year 2035, not science fiction, an achievable reality. A factory with 500 robotic systems, 2,000 sensors, 300 machine vision cameras, autonomous vehicles, digital twins, predictive maintenance engines, energy optimization systems, supply chain intelligence, AI agents coordinating operations. Every second, millions of events are generated. Thousands of decisions are made. Hundreds of systems communicate. Now ask yourself, what happens if one component fails? What happens if communication slows down? What happens if thousands of events arrive simultaneously? What happens if a robotic system requires a response within milliseconds? Suddenly, artificial intelligence is no longer the biggest challenge. Architecture becomes the biggest challenge. Why Python alone is not enough? Let me be very clear. Python is one of the greatest technologies of our generation. Python democratized AI. Python made data science accessible. Python accelerated innovation. Python will remain a dominant technology for years to come. This episode is not about replacing Python. It is about understanding architectural specialization. Think about a modern hospital. Not everyone is a surgeon. Not everyone is a cardiologist. Not everyone is a neurologist. Different specialists solve different problems. Technology is evolving in the same way. One excel at performance. Others excel at fault tolerance. Future architectures will combine these strengths. Requirement 1. Massive concurrency. Imagine 1 million simultaneous events, sensor updates, camera feeds, machine messages, AI requests, digital twin updates, human interactions, cloud synchronization. Can traditional architectures handle this? Perhaps, but the cost becomes enormous. Future platforms are being designed specifically for concurrency, the ability to manage enormous numbers of simultaneous activities, not thousands, not hundreds of thousands, potentially millions. The challenge is no longer processing data. The challenge is coordinating activity. Concurrency is becoming the nervous system of intelligent architectures. Requirement 2, fault tolerance. Let me ask a simple question. Have you ever seen a perfect system? I have not. Every system eventually fails. Servers fail. Applications fail. Networks fail. Humans make mistakes. The question is not, will failure occur? The question is, how does the architecture respond? Traditional systems often stop. Modern systems must recover. Automatically, intelligently, gracefully. Imagine an AI-powered factory losing production because one software process crashed. Imagine a hospital monitoring system becoming unavailable because one component failed. Imagine an autonomous vehicle stopping because a background service terminated unexpectedly. The future requires self-healing architectures. Architectures that anticipate failure. Architectures that survive failure. Architectures that recover from failure. Requirement 3. Real-time intelligence. Artificial intelligence is moving closer to the physical world. Robotics, medical devices, manufacturing, autonomous transportation, industrial inspection, defense systems, energy management. In these environments, milliseconds matter, response time matters, predictability matters. You cannot tell a robotic arm, please wait while I garbage collect memory. You cannot tell an autonomous vehicle, please wait while I restart a service. Future intelligent systems require real-time thinking and real-time response. This changes platform requirements dramatically. Requirement 4, machine vision at scale. Machine vision is becoming the eyes of intelligent systems. Factories use cameras for inspection. Hospitals use imaging systems. Agriculture uses drones. Retail uses computer vision. Transportation uses intelligent surveillance. Every image generates information. Every video stream generates events. Every event triggers decisions. Now imagine thousands of cameras operating simultaneously. The challenge is not image recognition. The challenge is system orchestration. The challenge is architecture. Requirement 5, robotics and autonomous systems. Robotics introduces a completely different dimension. Software developers live in a digital world. Robots live in the physical world. Physical systems require precision, predictability, reliability, continuous operation. Robots cannot simply crash and restart. Autonomous systems cannot simply pause and apologize. The architecture must support continuous operation under demanding conditions. This requirement is driving interest in new platform technologies. The rise of platform specialization. Historically, organizations asked, which programming language should we use? Future organizations will ask, which platform is best suited for this responsibility? One platform may host AI models. Second may orchestrate millions of events. Third may manage edge devices. Fourth may handle real-time processing. Fifth may manage robotics. The future is not a single language. The future is a technology ecosystem. Why architects must pay attention. This series is not primarily for programmers. This series is for decision makers, CIOs, CTOs, chief architects, technology strategists, innovation leaders, enterprise architects, system architects, because platform decisions made today will influence systems for the next decade. The organizations that understand these technologies early will possess a significant competitive advantage. The organizations that ignore these changes may discover that yesterday's architecture cannot support tomorrow's intelligence. The road ahead. In this season, we will explore Elixir, Rust, distributed systems, event-driven architectures, machine vision platforms, industrial automation, edge AI, autonomous systems, future factories, digital twins, and the emerging technologies that will define the next generation of intelligent architectures. This is not about hype. This is not about trends. This is about understanding the technological foundations of the future. Artificial intelligence is changing the world, but intelligence alone is not enough. The future belongs to systems that are intelligent, resilient, adaptive, scalable, and continuously available. The future belongs to architecture. Thank you for joining me in AI Systems Architecture. Season 3, Next Generation Platforms. Phase 1, Foundations. Episode 1, Why AI Needs New Platform Technologies. In our next episode, we begin our exploration of Elixir and discover why a technology born from the need for reliability and concurrency is attracting attention in the age of artificial intelligence. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. See you in the next episode. Good luck. Goodbye.